Hello students, today we will be discussing an important reaction intermediate of any organic reaction, that is carbocations. Now what are carbocations? These carbocations are the organic species which have carbon with positive charge and 6 electron in the valence shell. I will take the simplest example here. We have CH3 plus. Now here this carbon has 6 electrons, these two electrons in this bond, 2 electrons in this bond. So there are 6 electrons in the valence shell and a positive charge. Such species are known as carbocations. Now how they are formed? They are formed by the heterolytic cleavage. Suppose this is any group and a heteroatom is attached here. Now when this heteroatom leaves along with the lone bond pair, then it will form here positive charge and it will leave as a negative ion. So the carbocations are formed by the heterolytic cleavage. Heterolytic cleavage means both the electrons of the bond pair are taken by one of the atom. So if this atom takes away the bond pair electrons away with it, then it will form a carbocation. They are formed in other reactions like dehydration of alcohols also. So now how will you name these carbocations? These carbocations, suppose we have CH3 CH2 plus. See, you have to see the group. What group is this? It is ethyl group with 2 carbons. So you will write ethyl, and for positive charge you will write carbocation. So this is ethyl carbocation. Second, if you have CH2 double bond CH plus, positive charge on double bonded carbon, it is known as vinyl carbocation. Vinyl carbocation. Now if you have CH2 plus CH double bond CH2, if you have a positively charged carbon adjacent to the double bonded carbon, it is known as allyl carbocation. Positively charged carbon adjacent to double bonded carbon is known as allyl carbon. If you have a benzene ring to which CH2 group is attached, it is known as benzyl carbocation. Benzyl carbocation. Clear? But if you have a positive charge on the benzene ring itself, if you have a positive charge on double bonded carbon, the benzene itself, it is known as phenyl carbocation. And it is highly unstable because the positive charge is present on sp2 hybridized carbon. Now if you have suppose CH3 CH3, if you have a positive charge here, this group is known as isopropyl group. If you have a positive charge on the central carbon here, it is known as isopropyl carbocation. Clear? Another one is important is which is very stable. If you have this group, carbon atom 3 CH3 group attached and positive charge on this, it is known as tert butyl carbocation. So these are the different example of carbocations. Some of them are very unstable, some of them are highly stable. Now we will look what is the characteristics of carbocations. Now you have seen carbocations has 6 electrons in valence shell. Due to 6 electrons in valence shell, they are electron deficient species. Electron deficient species, so they will act as electrophile. They act as electrophile. Since they act as electrophile, they attack at electron rich center. Electrophile is electron deficient, so where it will go where it will find the electrons, so it will attack at the electron rich site. Clear? Second, since they have 6 electrons and a positive charge, the shape is trigonal planar shape. Carbocations are trigonal planar in shape. This is carbon. It will form 3 bonds with, suppose here we have hydrogen. Suppose we are taking CH3 plus. Here it will form 3 sigma bonds with 3 hydrogen atoms, and one orbital will be unfilled. So it will have a vacant p orbital. This is in one plane, this p orbital is perpendicular to this plane. So it has a trigonal planar shape with angle 120 degree. So angle is 120 degree. Now many questions are asked based on the stability of carbocations. A number of species are given and you have to arrange them in the increasing or decreasing order of their stability. So we will study here what are the different factors which affect the stability of carbocation. Now first one is inductive effect. Inductive effect is, see, plus I effect, any carbon which has positive charge on it, any group which can release the electron towards it or which can give electron to this positively charged carbon will stabilize it. So plus I effect will stabilize the carbocation and minus I effect will destabilize the carbocation. Clear? So charge, any charge on any species is a burden, is like a burden or load. It will try to reduce its burden or load by gaining the electron. So whatever method, by whatever way it can reduce its charge, it will stabilize it. Or any group which can reduce this positive charge on the carbon will stabilize it. Any group which will increase the positive charge will destabilize it. So first is inductive effect. Plus I effect stabilize the carbocation, minus I effect will destabilize the carbocation. So here we have to arrange these groups in the increasing order of their stability. Now this is 3 degree carbocation. See, this carbon is attached to 3 other carbon, it is 3 degree carbocation. Here this carbon is attached to 2 carbon, it is 2 degree. Here this carbon, positively charged carbon, is attached to 1 carbon, it is 1 degree. It is also 1 degree. Then here carbon is attached to deuterium. Now we have to arrange them. Suppose we number them as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you have to arrange them. See, plus I effect will be maximum in this case. These are 3 CH3 group. These 3 CH3 group will have plus I effect of 3 methyl groups, as well as hyperconjugation is also there, plus H effect is also there. How many hyperconjugative structure, how many alpha hydrogen are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 9 alpha hydrogen are there. 9 alpha hydrogen. Clear? In this case, plus I effect of 2 methyl group and plus hyperconjugation is also there. How many alpha hydrogen are there? 6. So alpha hydrogen are 6. Here alpha hydrogen are 3 and plus I effect of 1 methyl group. Clear? Then here it is methyl group, there is no hyperconjugation here, no plus H here, there is no plus H here in this case. Now out of these 3, this will be most stable because there is a plus I effect of 3 methyl group plus hyperconjugation, maximum alpha hydrogen are present here. So this is maximum stable, 1, then 2, then 3. Now you have to compare between these two. See, deuterium has a slightly more plus I effect as compared to hydrogen. So plus I effect will be more in case of this. There is no plus H effect here. There will be plus I effect slightly better than CH3 or hydrogen. So next is 5 and then 4. So this is the arrangement on the basis of inductive effect you can arrange, or on the basis of hyperconjugation. Next factor is hyperconjugation. Again, plus H effect will release the electron towards the positively charged carbon and it will stabilize it. So plus H effect will stabilize the carbocation. Clear? Now again you have to look here. This is attached to 2 carbon, so it is 2 degree carbon. Alpha hydrogen are 2 here and 1 here. 3 alpha hydrogen are there. In this case, this is 3 degree carbocation. Alpha hydrogen are, see, 2 here, 2 plus 2 plus 3. So it is 7 alpha hydrogen here. In this case, positive charge is present on this carbon. Sorry. So here it is 1 degree and alpha hydrogen are only 1. Here this is alpha carbon, alpha hydrogen are hydrogen which is attached to alpha carbon. So it is alpha carbon and there is only 1 hydrogen attached here. So alpha hydrogen is 1. So you can arrange them first is 2, then 1, and then 3. Now coming to the second arrangement, see here, what is the difference? These groups are different. These groups are different. Now this is double bond, this is alkene. So this will be alpha carbon. How many alpha hydrogen are present here? 3. On this there is 1 alpha hydrogen. How many alpha hydrogen are there? 1. Here there is no alpha hydrogen on this. So alpha hydrogen is 0. Now if you arrange them on the basis of their plus I effect, then this will be the order. C will be more stable than B, B will be more stable than A. But hyperconjugation is a more stronger effect than plus I effect. So hyperconjugation, where hyperconjugation and plus I effect operates in different directions, the hyperconjugation will be dominant here. So there is 3 hydrogen, alpha hydrogen, 1 alpha hydrogen, 0 alpha hydrogen. So the order of arrangement will be A is more stable than B, B is more stable than C. Now next is third effect is resonance or mesomeric effect. Plus M effect will release the electron. Release the electron means it will stabilize the carbocation. So plus M effect will stabilize carbocation, whereas minus M effect will destabilize the carbocation. Clear? Now we have these 3 examples. I will mark them as A, B and C. Now here resonance is taking place here. See, this electron will shift here, this electron will shift here. So in this way the shifting will take place. So resonating structures will be obtained here. Here also the resonance is taking place. This pi electron will shift to this position, but there is no resonance here. There will be only plus I effect here. There is only plus I effect, or you can say plus H effect also. Here there will be resonance plus R effect, there will be resonance here plus R effect. Now which has a stronger plus R effect? The structure which has more number of resonating structures. If 2 compounds shows resonance, then one with greater number of resonating structure is more stable. So out of these 2, more number of resonating structure will be obtained for benzyl carbocation. So it is more stable than allyl carbocation. So the arrangement is A is more stable than B and B is more stable than C. Clear? So resonance effect is taking place. You have to look for the resonating structures. The one having the more number of resonating structure will be more stable. Next, if same number of conjugated pi bonds are present, suppose 2 or 3 structures are showing resonance or mesomeric effect and they have the same number of resonating structures, then the order of stability is decided on the basis of cyclic resonance will be more stable than linear, linear will be more stable than cross conjugation. We'll see this in this example. See, here the positive charge is on this carbon, so pi electrons will shift here, these pi electrons will shift here, this pi electron will shift here. This type of resonance is known as linear resonance, means in one direction it is taking place. In this, positive charge is present on this carbon, so electrons may shift from here or it may shift from here. Now at a particular point, if the resonance is taking place from 2 opposite direction, then it is known as cross conjugation, and cross conjugation is slightly less stable as compared to cyclic or linear conjugation. So here cross conjugation is taking place. Here there will be a cyclic conjugation in a cycle. So there is a cyclic conjugation here, and here see, in these 3 structures the number of pi bonds are 3. So in these 3 structures are equivalent. In this there are only 2 pi bonds present, so it will be least stable. Greater the number of resonating structures of pi bonds, greater will be the stability. Now in these 3 structures pi bonds are same, we will look for linear, cross conjugation and cyclic. I have told you cyclic is more stable than linear, linear is more stable than cross conjugation. So if I mark them A, B, C and D, we can arrange them. C is more stable than A. Cyclic conjugation is more stable than linear. Linear is more stable than cross conjugation. Cross conjugation because from 2 opposite direction it is taking place, so it will be partially cancelled. And then last one will be D. So this is the arrangement of these 4 on the basis of resonance and mesomeric effect. So this was the third point, resonance or mesomeric effect. Now if all the four are taking place, you have to remember the order A, R, H and I. A is aromaticity, R is resonance, H is hyperconjugation and I is inductive effect. Plus I of all these plus I effect means aromaticity is remove aromaticity, plus R plus H plus I, they will increase the stability of carbocation. So they will increase the stability of carbocation. Now you have to remember the order. If there is resonance and hyperconjugation, resonance is more dominant over hyperconjugation, hyperconjugation is more dominant over inductive effect, and aromaticity is more dominant than resonance. So RE, this you have to remember, this is the order you have to look for while deciding the stability of carbocations. Now coming to the fourth factor, that is electronegativity. See, if there are carbon with different hybridization, suppose we have taken this example, here it is sp3 hybridized, here it is sp2 and it is sp hybridized. As the hybridization increases, as the hybridization changes from sp3 to sp2 to sp, percentage S character will increase. As the percentage S character increases, electronegativity increases. Electronegativity increases, so the stability of carbocation will decrease, because as the electronegativity increases, it will hold its electron pair tightly and it will not easily donate its electron pair to the positively charged carbon. So the stability of the carbocation will decrease. So what is the order of stability here? This is more stable because there is a plus I effect here. There is no plus I effect. This is more electronegative as compared to this carbon, so the order will be this one. Now in case of heteroatom with lone pair, if there are two atoms, we are taking oxygen and nitrogen here, they both have lone pair, but the electronegativity of oxygen is greater than nitrogen. Electronegativity of oxygen greater than nitrogen means it will hold its electron pair more tightly as compared to nitrogen. That means nitrogen can easily give its electron pair to positively charged carbon. So here the donation will take place easily as compared to this. So this will be more stable as compared to this structure. So this was the fourth factor, that is electronegativity. Coming to the next factor, aromaticity. In general, if we speak about aromatic compounds are more stable than non-aromatic, and non-aromatic are more stable than anti-aromatic, provided all other conditions are same, means positive charge is there on both all the structures, resonating structures are there. So this is the arrangement. Aromatic is more stable than non-aromatic, non-aromatic is more stable than anti-aromatic. Now here this is cyclopropynyl carbocation, here it is cyclopentadienyl cation, and it is tropylium ion. Now you have to check whether it is aromatic or not. Here see there are 2 pi electrons here. 2 pi electrons means they should satisfy 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. If you put here 0, you will get 2 pi electrons, means it is aromatic, and there is a conjugation also. Here 4 pi electrons are there, it is anti-aromatic. This is anti-aromatic. This is aromatic. And here there are 2 plus 2 plus 6 pi electrons and conjugation is there. Clear? So it has 6 pi electrons, it is also aromatic. Now if two compounds are aromatic, you must look for which has more number of resonating structures. Obviously this will have more number of resonating structure, or positive charge can disperse over more number of carbon atoms. But here positive charge can disperse only 3 carbon, and angle strain is more in this case. So it will be maximum stable if we denote them A, B and C. Maximum stable will be C, then A and then B. So aromatic compounds are more stable than anti-aromatic. All of them have positive charge. It has 2 pi electrons, it has 6 pi electrons. The positive charge can circulate over more number of carbon atoms, and the ring strain is less. Angle is more, so strain will be less in this case. So it will be most stable structure, C, A, B. Now coming to the next one, these were the factors we have decided. Now we will decide the arrangement of these stabilities on the basis of the factors that we have studied. These are three structures. See here, there will be a conjugation, so there is a resonance here. Now here there is no resonance, but it is a 2-degree carbocation. Here it is sp2 hybridized, so present on sp2 hybridized carbon. So what will be the arrangement? This will be more stable because here resonance is taking place. Then here it is present on double bonded carbon, and here it is 2-degree carbocation. So first will be B, then A, and then C. Coming to the next one, here see, you can see this is positive charge here, this is 2-degree carbocation, and alpha hydrogen, you can count, alpha hydrogen are 2 plus 1, 3. Here this is 1-degree carbocation, alpha hydrogen are 2 plus 2, 4. Here it is 1 degree and there is no alpha hydrogen is 0, but there is resonance taking place here, so plus R effect is there. Here this is 3-degree carbocation and alpha hydrogen are alpha hydrogen are 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Then here resonance plus R effect is there. Further it is a 3-degree carbocation. So resonance is taking place in these two structures C and E. Now out of these two structures, it is 3-degree plus R effect. It is 1 degree plus R effect. So it will be more stable. So first is E, then C. Then A, B and D. Here 3-degree, it is 2-degree, it is 1 degree. So arrangement is D, A and B. This is the arrangement. Clear? Coming to the next one, there is a difference in these groups. See, this is plus I plus H group. OMe, it will give its lone pair, it will show plus M effect. This is cyanide group, it will show minus M effect. This is again minus M group, minus M effect. Now out of these, see, we have learned plus positive effects will increase the stability of carbocation, negative effect will decrease the stability. So these two effects will decrease the stability. Out of these two effects, it is showing plus M. Plus M is stronger than plus I or plus H. So first one will be B, then A. Now between these two group, it is a strong minus I group. It has a stronger minus I effect as compared to cyanide group. So D and then C. So this will be the arrangement B, A, D and C. Coming to the next one, see here, this is positive charge lone pair. There will be delocalization here in this way. So all will show resonance. Now second point we have to consider here, since they are showing resonance, it is nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen. They are in the second period, this is in the third period. Overlapping will be 2p and 2p. 2p orbital of NH and 2p orbital of carbon. Here again overlapping between 2p and 2p. But here overlapping will be 3p and 2p, and overlapping between similar orbital is more effective. So if we compare this structure compared to this, it will be less effective overlapping, so it will be least stable. So we will write here C. Now we have to decide between A and B. See, nitrogen is less electronegative as compared to oxygen. Less electronegative means it can donate its lone pair easily to this bond. So A will be more stable than B, B will be more stable than C. This is the arrangement. Coming to the next structure, these are 4 structures given. This was asked in IIT 2008. There is lone pair on this oxygen, lone pair on this oxygen. So there will be a plus M effect here, plus M effect here. So these two will be more stable compared to the other two structures. I am writing this A, B, C and D. Now there will be a delocalization in this. Now we will see for this carbocation. This is 3-degree carbocation. It is 2-degree carbocation. So out of these two, which is more stable? A is more stable than C. Now these two structures are left. This is 2 degree and this is 1 degree. So B and D. This is the arrangement. So first you will look for resonance. Resonance is taking place in these two structure. Then since resonance is taking place, we will look for inductive or hyperconjugation. It is 3-degree carbocation is 2-degree carbocation. 3-degree carbocation is more stable than 2-degree carbocation. So this structure is more stable than this one. So this is the order of arrangement: A, C, B and D. Coming to the next one, see, this structure is special because it shows dancing resonance. Dancing resonance is a type of resonance in which there is a shifting of sigma electrons. So here this electron may shift here, it will become pi bond at a positive charge will shift here. Now there is one structure here, two such structure and three such structure. Dancing resonance will stabilize the carbocation. See, it is a type of resonance only. If you draw its resonating structure, it will be like this. Positive charge has shifted here, this sigma electrons will shift here. So you will get a number of resonating structure. Now since there are three such structures here, it will be more stable than this one, this will be more stable than this one. So it is cyclopropyl methyl cation and it is more stable as compared to benzyl cation. Coming to the next one, here it will show dancing resonance. Here it will show simple resonance, but resonance will be there and it is aromatic. 2 pi electrons, it is aromatic in nature. It will show resonance and it is dancing resonance. Now if we have to arrange, aromatic will be more stable than these two. So if I write them A, B and C, the order of arrangement will be C. Aromatic will be more stable, then dancing resonance A and then simple resonance. So dancing resonance make it more stable as compared to benzyl carbocation because the shifting of sigma electrons, the positive charge is reduced more effectively by the shifting of sigma electrons. Coming to the next one, here oxygen is present. Now see, their lone pair is there. This will shift here, so it will show resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Clear? But there is no mesomeric effect in these two structure because there is a sp3 hybridized carbon between this positive charge and oxygen. So what will they show? They will show minus I effect. So it will show minus I effect and minus I effect. Both of them will show minus I effect. Minus I effect is distance dependent. So as the distance increases, the inductive effect decreases. So it will have less inductive effect, it will have greater inductive effect. So now you can arrange them. It is A, B and C. Resonance is more stable than these two structure. A is more stable than, here inductive effect is less because oxygen is more farther away from positive charge. So A, C and B. Coming to the next structure, this is aromatic system at the center and 3 cyclopropyl rings are attached here which will show the dancing resonance. So it is a very stable structure. Now if we compare this, there will be dancing resonance here and this is aromatic. Clear? This aromatic system is present in these three. So it will show dancing resonance here. They will show hyperconjugation plus hyperconjugation and here there will be a resonance. Clear? Because there are 3 benzene ring attached to this aromatic system. Here there will be only hyperconjugation and inductive effect, plus I and plus H. So which will be most stable according to you? Dancing resonance. So if I mark them A, B, C and D, A will be more stable than next one will be CH3 and pH. There will be resonating structures here while there will be hyperconjugation and inductive effect here. So C is more stable than B and last one is D. Now coming to the last example. See, this is simple, there is no effect here. Clear? In this case, it will show plus M effect and minus I effect. Here it will show only minus I effect because it is present in meta position. Here it will show plus M and minus I effect. Now minus, these two groups are showing plus M effect. plus M effect means they will be strong, more stable as compared to these two structure. Now we have to compare between these two. Here minus I effect will be slightly stronger as compared to here, because it is present more closer to CH2 group. So it will be less stable as compared to this structure. So if we take A, B, C and D, D will be maximum stable, then B. Then C minus I effect is there is no effect here. So A will be more stable than C. So you have to look for the effects. Coming to the last important point, if you have a tertiary third butyl group and you have a benzyl carbocation, there is resonance here, but there is hyperconjugation plus H, hyperconjugative structure, alpha hydrogen are 9 here, 9 alpha hydrogen, and plus I effect of 3 methyl groups. Clear? This is very important. If you compare benzyl and this third butyl carbocation, since resonance is dominant, it should be more stable, but in actual this is more stable because the effect of 9 alpha hydrogen and the plus I effect of 3 methyl group is much higher than this group. So it is more stable as compared to benzyl carbocation. I have covered almost all the points of carbocation. I hope you like the video. Please do share and subscribe it. Thank you.